mean, this is a card. And you have given me lion.
So you were holding that thing so strong.
I was holding that thing strong.
So how do you get people? Is your girl Miss Akon? Please, what's your name? Introduce yourself.
Okay, hello everyone. As you can see, I'm very shy. Very shy. Anyways, my name is Bernard Akon. I'm an electrical engineer by profession. Magician by passion. I love to do magic. It's not the whole act itself, but the reactions you get from people. Oh goodness! That makes me happy. So I do basically that's what I did.
So you're going to show us some basic.
Oh, why not? Why not? Why not? For the love of my little sister, I'll do that freely. Are you ready?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah.
So what do you have?
Okay, so then, oh yeah, I didn't mention, I'm actually a speed cuber. I saw Rubik's Cube, like, I'm not really that fast, but to mention, I'm faster than 99.993% of the world's population when it comes to solving this. So then probably might say I'm fast, but well, in my circles, I'm pretty slow. But I'm fast. Well, so then you can actually give this a mixing. Let's start with
you.
Okay. So then how many minutes do you think it should take me to solve this? How many minutes?
Well, my camera woman said 10 minutes. Okay,
10
I think
minutes.
5.
5.
5.
Yeesh.
But what do you think?
That's too
5.
small.
5 is too small.
Yes.
And also very magic now.
Okay, so then don't worry, you'll be amazed. Also then I have with me a timer here, time for inspection. Then well, how many minutes did you say?
5 minutes.
Okay. Well, so then you can wait for the 5 minutes. Okay. So then actually 10 seconds.
You finished?
Yeah.
No, it's a lie. I didn't look at it. I wasn't looking at you.
So then you watch the video afterwards. Oh, so then actually world record stands at 3.47 seconds. Like you wouldn't believe.
It is 10 seconds. Yes, sir.
Okay, anyway, so then yeah, I need someone to help me select a card. Okay, so then well, you can actually select it in various ways. But before, just confirm that all the cards are different. Like all of them are different, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, so then this is what you do. You say stop wherever you want, right?
Stop.
Are you okay with this? So then take this card, show it to the camera. Don't show it to me. Let your friends see it. Have you seen your card now? Can you move your hands forward?
Okay.
Okay, anyways. So then feel free, just place it anywhere. I wouldn't want to have, you can move it, place it in the middle, whatever. Then shuffle afterwards. Are you done? Okay. Just so you confirm, I hope you are able to see your card somewhere. Just so you confirm. You've seen your card somewhere. Okay. So then, this is what you are going to do. Kindly give a thought of your card. Like, think about your card. Can you actually think about the card? Like, think about it carefully. Oh. I think I know where your card is. Anyway, so then this will happen. Would you believe this is your card?
No.
You don't believe? Okay. I'm guessing it was. Okay, it wasn't. Like I would have seen the reactions on your faces. This wasn't your card?
No.
Okay, so then it happens twice. Snap your finger, your card will come to you. And actually it comes to. This is not your card. It is not. Are you left-handed or right-handed? Right-handed.
Right-handed.
Okay, so then bring your right hand. You guys are sure this wasn't your card?
No.
Okay. And place your other hand on top of it. My magic basically doesn't flop, so then I don't know why you guys are making it very. But watch. At the moment I do this, did you actually feel a sensation in your hand? No, but you can go ahead and check.
Welcome back, people. We had to take a short break because Shino said he doesn't believe what happened. See, they also said the same
See,
thing. So we are doing
the-
another one, another trick.
No, see, the thing is, I wasn't here and I heard your noise. I came. They are telling me that some magic. Me see some things and me, my eyes are open like the super eagle.
Kindly shuffle.
I should shuffle.
Yeah, shuffle. How do you shuffle? Do you shuffle this way?
You have to shuffle so me out. Anyhow, I want to shuffle so that you see.
Perfect.
Are you done? Trust issues.
So then, are you okay with them? Like,
Yes, I must.
I just want you to confirm that all the cards are quite different.
Yeah,
Right.
different. They are not the same cars.
No problem. No problem. So then this one, gentlemen, relax. Relax. Just feel free. Select any card at random. Any card.
At random.
Yeah.
All the cars.
Yeah. Oh, I can see them. Don't worry.
Let me show you to the camera.
Okay. And shades. Okay.
This is
Then,
Oh, you took two.
Yeah.
You had two.
sorry.
Two. Okay.
This.
Okay. Then someone else should help me. Who should help me? Select it. You would. Okay. So then select any card. Any card. Probably different from his.
Yeah.
Okay.
Show you to the
Oh.
camera.
Are you supposed to see the card? No, as in you.
With this one.
Oh, me? Oh, I can see them. Don't worry. Even
Yes.
if I didn't
the
see
whole
them,
world
I've
can
seen.
see the card.
Okay. Anyway, so then don't worry. This time round, hers is the Queen of Diamonds. Yours is the Four of Clubs, right?
Yes.
At the moment I do this, where do you think your card is?
I'm holding my card. This is my card. You won't go anywhere.
Don't worry. You
Yes.
wouldn't believe, but no cheating. Do you
Yes.
believe your card is here?
Never.
Your card is actually here. Watch. I pick your card back and bring it. Check. Now your card is here.
Oh, this is this one it's the same thing.
Okay. No problem. Don't worry.
Wait, you guess now. You sit down and then do.
It's okay.
Relax.
Okay, so then we are going to take it a notch higher.
Okay.
I actually pick her card. That's this one, right? Now watch. I did. See you guys. At the moment I do this, where is her card?
Her card.
Yeah.
It's here.
And where is yours?
Me, I'm holding my card.
Okay. The guy is so confident. So no problem. So then it happens. This time I relax on it a little bit.
Okay.
Right. This is your card. Is that okay? At the moment I do the first swap. Relax. 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 Yes. Where do you think your card is now?
This is my card. You have given the hair card to me. This is her card.
Do you believe your card is still with you? Like, would you believe if your card is with you?
It can never. This is her card.
Okay, your card is this one.
This is my card.
Good. And yours is where? With him. Okay.
Yeah.
So then no problem. This time round, it happens in this way. Watch. This is your card, right? Now I'm not swapping, but want to get it this way. Hold it up. Where is your card? Where is her card?
This is my card. This is her card.
Are you really sure? Where do you think your card is?
See, this is
Yeah.
my card. Me, the card you give me from the beginning. This is her card.
Don't worry. Hold on.
Physical. I'm seeing everything.
Don't worry. Those are the two cards. Now you can check your hands.
Are you convinced now?
Wait, so you put the two cards here. And then where was the card?
Me, this is the card. And you have given me lion.
So you were holding the thing so strong.
I mean, I was holding the thing strong.
So how did you get
lion?
How did you get that? Do you believe it now? Or you don't know?
This is. No, like, were we dreaming?
Look at it. This one is not physical. It's spiritual.
My hunger.
Like, seriously, I really freaked out when
But
they
it's
brought the
terrible.
cards in.
It's
Like,
okay.
seriously.
How did you get it from here?
So this was what you were holding.
See, I chose
This was
this
what
one
you
from the
were
beginning.
holding. Yes.
The girl chose this one from
Yes.
the beginning.
And later you were holding this.
Later, I chose black. And later, I'm holding lion.
Lion. But I thought you said you don't believe it. So how come?
I didn't see what.
Shizo, so do you believe that this thing still works?
Right now, I'm feeling some way.
Feeling some way? Why? Because it felt like yes, he was.
I wasn't even
Me, I was
get
so
the guy.
sure. I was so sure of the card.
Let's
Nah, him. Assisa.
Well,
That's it.
Atanga has also
Oh,
come
is
because
it?
he's saying that
And you see,
whatever,
Okay.
whatever we are saying is a lie. So now
Shuffle the
Atanga
cards.
is here.
Alhaji.
boom,
Me my boom my you.
boom, you name card mix it.
Trust issues.
So then, are you okay with how you shuffle them? Are you okay? Okay. So you actually start. Okay. Okay. Just touch a card. Touching. Which one? This one.
This one.
This one. This one.
Yes,
Okay.
that one.
You can actually take this.
I should take it.
Yeah,
Keep it.
Show it to the camera. Don't let me watch it.
Don't let him see you.
Are you okay?
Okay.
Atanga say you do your cards.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then, basically, sometimes people think when I tell them to place it inside, I know where they are placing it. Is that okay? So then, feel free, place it anywhere you want.
And reshuffle.
Yeah, and shuffle.
Shuffle.
Bomuli.
Are you done?
We Atanga afra.
So then, just so you know, confirm if your card is inside. You can look somewhere else, but I just want you to confirm that your card is somewhere. You saw your card.
Okay.
Did you see
Yeah,
your card?
yes.
Are you sure you saw your card?
Yes.
And then it actually takes a little bit of time for me to locate your card. I think I hold on. This is your card. Would you believe?
I've not seen. I won't.
But you didn't believe.
Yes.
Was this a card? No. Your reaction would have given you up. Okay.
This is not the card.
This is not a card. Okay.
Bentley.
Anyways, if it's not your card, say stop wherever you want. You say stop wherever you want. Wherever you stop on your card. So then think of your card. Then
Yes.
Stop. Are you okay? Was this the card?
No.
No.
It wasn't this either.
Please
Okay,
bring
so,
it up.
so then bring your hand and keep your other hand on it.
Can he look at it?
Yeah, no, let him keep the hand on
So
it.
that we want to verify.
Yeah, so then watch. At the moment you do this, was that sure you didn't see your card?
Oh.
Wait, the thing is.
So want to lie.
That's the
Atanga is that, see that's the card.
How come?
No, but you just see the card he kept it.
Yes.
There was a spark.
But he
Yes.
didn't even see this
He
card.
didn't. Yes.
Yes.
He didn't see this card.
He has to make you believe. Say, do you believe that this
He
is your
didn't
card?
see your card. Oh.
He didn't see your card. He just picked at random. Like, this is the card. Do you believe? Okay, turn it and let's see if that is it. Like,
Don't worry. One last one. Then.
Hey.
Don't worry.
So it's another game, right?
What's it?
It's a magic or game.
No.
Magic.
I'll use. These are called sponge balls.
Sponge balls.
Anyways, who thinks he can keep his fist very close? Like,
Me. Let me feel it
I'll
this
do
time.
it.
no. It's not about
you are
feeling.
new.
But we can hold it.
Let the guy
No,
know
you
you.
don't.
You now hold it.
No, yeah, oh, don't worry. But let me show you something. Regardless of how you close your fist, right? You realize that it becomes difficult for me to get
Yes.
inside until I get the pinky.
Yes.
The rest will open. Right? That's what you're actually going to do. I'm going to see how I'll be able to. Let me use the word steal one of them from your hand.
This one.
You guys are still fixed on that one. Anyways, now observe that it's just one. Like it can't come out. Like, or you can check.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, touch it.
Yeah.
It's just a normal. So then yes, let's start again. Which one do you want? This or this?
This one.
Yeah, it's that one.
That's
that
it.
one.
Card. Yes.
Then open your hand this way. So then if I pick my own, right, and I give you your own, hold it very hard. Hold it. Oh, I can pick it from here.
Okay.
Is it there?
Yes.
So then in a moment I would pick your own from here and join to mine. Would you believe?
I won't believe.
Okay. It's not in my hand anyways. Watch.
It's something in your hand.
It's there.
Very good.
Are you sure?
It's there.
Can I help you hold it?
Oh, you can grab it for me.
It's there.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, you can even place your finger in here.
To feel it if it's there.
If it's there.
Let me see. Release your hand small. Release it small. It's there. It's there.
So then don't worry. I wouldn't touch it,
Okay.
right? So that you think maybe I got it out. But do this, follow me. Right. So then do this. Do you feel it becoming smaller? Like no, you are so hasty to respond. Relax. Do you feel it becoming smaller? Are you sure? It's not becoming smaller. Because mine is becoming bigger. It's supposed to vanish from there.
Logic.
It's not. Okay, let's go this way around. Right? Then now let's do it this way. Do you feel it becoming heavier? This time you should feel
Yes. It's becoming
heavy small.
Yes.
Yes, because mine is becoming smaller. So the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Mine is no longer here. Don't worry about it. It isn't here.
Hey.
Are you sure you didn't put two inside there?
Hey.
Oh, okay,
Wait,
guys.
I like.
Are you sure you didn't put two inside there for you?
Oh.
It was one. One
It
here.
was
No,
one.
Can
see.
you deceive at that?
Atanga.
Okay, so I really had fun. I don't know about you.
Yeah,
We
we had
lots of
fun.
surprises.
And we freaked out well, like seriously.
Yeah, we really had fun. I really enjoyed today. I hope you're also going to enjoy while you watch the video.
Yeah.
Please, any advice from Ben?
Well, anyways, so then magic is an art, just like someone raps, someone, what other art form? Someone paints and all these things. Yeah, they are all forms of arts, right? And people are so scared of magic, but there is nothing. Even the fetish priest you see, nothing. It's the version of what I do is just to entertain people, to make people and to also make them know that there is nothing scary that should be scaring them around. So then whenever you see a magician doing something, just enjoy the flow. But so I think basically that's it.
Thank you so much for joining
Thank you
us.
for
And
hosting
thank you
me.
to Charlie.
And
It was
yes.
fun.
Medicine is inside.
Medicine.
Which
Like Agbala is inside.
Oh no.
Because
We're all here. We
Yeah.
saw with our own naked eyes.
I want Agbala, I want to see the spirit vanish. Like
I don't know, but
Okay, anyways,
that's a
so
point.
then you can feel free to follow me on Instagram at Mission Unabated. If you see that somewhere here, somewhere around,
I'll leave it to you.
click like anyway. I don't know what you click, right? Yeah. And yeah, I have a YouTube channel still under construction. I'll come up with fun stuff. So then not just the same, a whole lot of things. Okay, so then thank you very
Yeah.
much.
So don't let someone deceive you that there's magic there. You can actually
It's
learn.
magic. No, it's magic.
It's actually magic.
Yeah, the name is magic, but spiritual.
Okay, so like they'll
So
know that
there's
there's
nothing
spiritual
spiritual.
stuff, but there's nothing
No.
spiritual.
It's just tricks.
It's just something that you learn for fun and all. So it's not spiritual. Charlie, there's only one true God. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Make sure you comment, you like. Let me know what you think about magic. Is it really real? Like, what do they do? Let me know what you think because I really want to know a lot about this. Look at my boys, they are all still shocked. Thank you for tuning in. And please make sure you follow him on IG and then on his YouTube channel too. Thank you, Emila. Thank you for joining.
Bye.